of Muslim Brotherhood supporters turned out at one of Cairo's major intersections Sunday, demanding an end to Egypt's military clampdown. The violence that started last week has left nearly 900 people dead across the country. The streets of Egypt's capital city, a battleground between supporters of ousted President Mohamed Morsi and the military that overthrew him. At least 36 people were killed when security forces fired tear gas on a prison truck in an attempt to free a badly beaten police officer. Officials say the prisoners suffocated on the gas. The normally bustling city is now under a nighttime curfew. Subway stations near the protest sites are closed, and military tanks are in place to enforce the state of emergency the Army has imposed. Carlotta Bradley, The Associated Press.